Away they go. Taste and see from the outside and running by the road Sunday Street. Moving up Senior Elijah, quick play alongside Easter Hope, rushing up Escape Artist, Golden Money. Rounding the far turn, Senior Elijah, Escape Artist, Easter Hope in the middle. And running in fourth is entry number 4, Taste and See. Rounding the far turn, Escape Artist, Easter Hopes running by the roll. Senior Elijah, Taste and See, quick play, Sunday Street, Golden Money. As they race the final corner, Escape Artist, Easter Hope down on the inside. Fiery Rob for the lead. Escape Artist, Easter Hope down on the inside. Quick play is racing in third. But Escape Artist this time by some 2 lengths now, followed by Quick Play. And finally, Escape Artist, Quick Play. Easter Hope, Senior Elijah, Sunday Street, Taste and See. And Golden Money comes last.